Well, hello, LiveGood affiliates. Nader here. I want to do a quick training on how to approach people on social media about LiveGood. We talk to a lot of people. As you see, we are exploding. People are falling in love with our products, and people, for once, finally starting to duplicate. And I believe that one of the main reasons that we're duplicating like crazy, people who never had any luck to get involved with any other companies and actually refer other people or make a sale are having a tremendous success here. And why? I believe is because of the products. I mean, I've talked to people who, get involved with us. They get started. They pay their one time, the $49 and $9.95 a month. And what? I mean, just on CBD oil alone, the $9.95 a month is saving them $50, $60 a month. So the $9.95, they pay it anyway because they're saving money on our products. That's a given. So they get involved with $49.95. They refer two of their friends who realize that we're going to be the next Amazon or Costco of network marketing, starting with nutritional products, because the world is very concerned about nutritional products after what happened the past couple of years. Awareness is there. So we're starting with the most advanced nutritional products on the planet that no other network marketing in the world can afford. Why can't they? Because other companies make this stuff, or their version, because it's not as good as this, for let's say 8, 5, and they sell it to their distributor for what? 90, 100. So maybe some people above get paid. Well, here we don't have to worry about price gouging. We put the best ingredients in here, physician level ingredients. And we sell it to you for 18 because it's okay for it to cost us 13, right? Because I don't have to have a 14x. I don't have to sell it to people at 150. So I can give the best products on earth to people. And that's what we're duplicating, because people know, I'm giving my friends something good that they're not going to find the cheaper one somewhere else. And that's what we're duplicating. So that being said, people are signing up. There's two right away, super simple. They get their $50 back, and now they're playing with the house's money. They're bronze. You all know the thing. As a bronze, congrats. You triple your income potential on your matrix. You put your two dear friends closest possible to you in the matrix. So when and if your matrix grows, your match on them will be bigger because their matrix checks will be bigger. But at the same time, like I started saying, that they got their $50 that cost them to join LiveGood. And now they're just 33 cents a day. And as I mentioned, they're saving just $50, $60 a month on one product alone. And many of our members, believe it or not, ladies and gentlemen, I mean, you're one of them, they're just ordering products week after week after week. It's funny. When you don't tell people to go recruit, they go recruit when they believe in your model. When you go to people that you don't have to place an order, when they place the order, they realize, oh my gosh, how good it is, they order more. And here's it's another thing that happens when they fall in love with our products. All of the people who swore on whatever they believe in, that they don't know anyone, they don't want to recruit anyone, they're a member of NFL, all their friends have left them, all their friends won't listen to them anymore. All of those people who said that, they get there too the minute they join. Easy. Everybody. I mean, $50 is a tank of gas in your state. I'm in California, so half a tank for me. So $50, now they own a business. They can market it globally. Honest American-made products. So they get that, they get there too, but they say, you know what, I don't want to talk to anybody else because I've got them, I showed them all kinds of things. They won't even answer my calls anymore. Then we're looking at reports, and all of a sudden, 2 weeks after they get their products, they're recruiting like crazy. Why? I'll tell you why. Because they realize these are amazing. They realize I can proudly market this, hold my chin up, and tell my friends they can buy this at wholesale for 18, retail for 28. That's less than 65 cents a day if you're a member. I mean, when people's belief level rises, and belief level doesn't go up because some handsome master distributor or some gorgeous wife of the master distributor, or if she's a master distributor, goes on the stage trying to motivate you. No. Belief system, those motivations go away when you get home with the garage full of products that you bought. Real motivation, consistent motivation, true belief system comes in when the product works. When the product works and it's not a placebo effect. So they go get there too, but they don't want to talk to anybody else. But then they get on the product. Next thing I know, they're recruiting like crazy. How did you do it? Well, I was on the products and I know what it did. The products worked, right? And at these prices are like, I got to share this with my friend. I got on the products, started feeling good. Hey, and I remembered a friend of mine called me about his $110 CBD oil 6 months ago. So I just called him up and said, hey, Johnny, it's me. Hey, I want to thank you for sending me that CBD oil video. It was great. It was wonderful. And Johnny's going to say, oh my gosh, yes, CBD oils are great. And then she's going to say, hey, I want to thank you for thinking of me with the CBD oil, but I just couldn't afford $110. But I'm with a new company. I'm with a company right now. Their owners have launched some of the biggest companies in our industry. They're still going strong. And they're actually changing the model. And I'm selling a 1500 milligram CBD oil. My retail price is $36. My wholesale is $26. And people can use the whole thing and send me the empty bottle in 90 days. I'll give them all their money back. Can you do me a favor? Let me know any of your CBD oil customers that you showed your awesome $110 one to. They couldn't afford it like I couldn't. Can you please send them my way? But first, here's my video. Take a look at my video and let me know who you know that couldn't afford your $110 CBD oil, which I know it's great. And then send them your tour video. That's it. That's it. Let the tools do the job. Be proud of what you have. So we see people duplicating. So then they say, okay, I got everybody I know. First, I say I don't know anybody. I can only sign up 2 so I can become a bronze. I can make my $50 back. I can triple my income potential. I get all that. I just want to love the products and I want to just get healthy, stay healthy in an affordable way. And I'm totally okay at 65 cents a day. I'm totally okay at $26 member price on that. I don't want to tell my friends. And then they get on the products. Next thing you know, they're a recruiting machine on their own because they believe, because they're proud. They don't have to hide from their friends. Oh my gosh, I don't want to run into my friends that I sold them $500 worth of juice to because they probably found the cheaper one on Amazon. Those days are over. Now you want to do more. How do you do it? It's very simple. Very simple. Go to social media. I'm not a social media guy. There's a group search. Put in, let's say, CBD oil users. I just did it. There are hundreds of groups out there for CBD lovers, hundreds of groups out there for red lovers, hundreds of groups out there for green lovers, hundreds of groups out there for organic coffee lovers. So don't tell me you don't know people. All of those people out there are being price gouged. We're definitely not getting our ingredient value, right? All of those people need a savior. All of those people are happy. They think they're happy. Just wait till they get their hands on our CBD oil. Just wait, especially if they're a guy. Wait till they get hooked on this, especially if they're a guy. All of a sudden, ladies and gentlemen, the duplication factor is so big. All you got to do is start the conversation. The value, the quality, and our brilliant model, like Ben said, you cannot unsee it. We have 15 products right now, more to come. For every one of our products, ladies and gentlemen, that we offer, for every single one of them, there are 10 network marketing companies out there that have social media accounts with tens of thousands of followers in each. You're not here to go out there and destroy them. You're not a special ops guy to go in underwater, come out with, No. Love on people. Go on. They left it open. They believe in their products that much? Great. Go in there. Find XYZ Coffee MLM. Go in there, find the followers. And remember, they're going to shut you down quickly. And those followers are probably paying $105 for their coffee. Trust me, I kind of know. Any company that makes products and makes commissions on products, I'll make it simple for you. If they tell you it costs $500 to join, remember that, take a zero off of it. That's what it probably costs the company at the most. So their $500 pack is $50. Their $200 a month auto ship costs the company $20. You're not going to be able to unsee what we're telling you here at LiveGood. So the world is realizing what we're up to. And when you go on social media, you go after the coffee people, CBD people, build a relationship in those groups, share on the social media, share your Shop LiveGood website at $36. This is an unbelievable deal at retail and makes you good money. Good money. But if you're searching for network marketing companies that have our products with open source, all you have to do is just build a relationship. Hi, my name is Nader. I see you selling greens. I love greens. I love greens. I see you selling greens. I love greens. Great. That's it. Wait for a response. I'm not talking a 2-month relationship. I'm talking within 10 minutes. They say, oh my gosh, yes, they're going to respond. You love greens? Look what we have. If you buy one of these, it's 82, but if you buy 3 of them, they're only going to be 75. Let them talk. Let them dig their own grave, right? You'll respond, wonderful, that's great. How much is it again? 75. You know what? I love that, but do me a favor. I'm actually with another company. We're selling our greens, 100% empty bottle, money back guarantee in 90 days. And you can actually empty it and send it back. We give you all your money back. And we retail it for 28 and wholesale it for 18. I'm going to send you a link. Please take a look at it and let me know if any of your green customers, any of your MLM CBD customers, if any of your MLM red customers, I'm sure your products are awesome, but I'm sure a lot of people that you try to share it with couldn't afford it. Can you please watch my video and send me some of your customers who couldn't afford your whatever? Ladies and gentlemen, you can do that every night. You can do that after you tuck the kids in bed, spend 20 minutes on Mondays, go after CBD MLM companies and CBD groups on Facebook. Tuesday night, greens. Wednesday nights, red. Thursday nights, organic coffee. You'll never run out of leads, and you'll do it proudly because you know you're helping people. I wanted to do this training. I wanted to keep it under 10 minutes. It just went over 10 minutes. So I'm not a social media guy, but the people on social media are asking you to help them. Build a relationship. Don't walk into a group. Don't walk into meet somebody, immediately send them your text. No, build that relationship. Be kind, be loving, be proud of what you're marketing. Couple of sentences back and forth. If they're a social media group that are just product people, give them your Shop LiveGood website. It's amazing, amazing. You make more money, right? If they're MLMers, after building a little bit of communication, building a relationship, be nice. Say, hey, listen, I know you're a go-getter. I know your company's awesome. I know you're making a lot of money. Make sure you say that. I think you make a lot of money. Let them think because they're not, okay? But can you please refer some of your customers who couldn't pay you $110 for your awesome CBD my way? By the way, here's my link, www.livegoodtour.com, your username. You do that, ladies and gentlemen, you'll never run out of prospects and you're helping people. God bless.